Hello, everyone, and good morning. Today is Saturday, June 14th, 2025. And today we have our day one outlook to look at for today. Today, we have a slight risk that encompasses almost the same area as yesterday. Parts of central Montana going into northeastern Wyoming, going into central South Dakota, central Nebraska, a little bit of northeastern Colorado, and parts of northern Kansas. We do have a marginal risk that extends from central Montana into a little bit of southwestern North Dakota, central South Dakota, going into south central Minnesota, going into west central Iowa, parts of eastern Nebraska, parts of eastern Colorado, most of Kansas, all of Oklahoma, parts of eastern New Mexico, south to central to north Texas, and eastern Arkansas, as well as southwestern Missouri. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk, as well as a marginal risk over here for parts of central Virginia, including the District of Columbia, it looks like, and parts of Delaware. So we do have those areas under a risk today. So we have Billings, Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, and Sheridan under the slight, and Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Oklahoma City, Virginia Beach, and Tulsa having a marginal. So let's go ahead and deep dive and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% for parts of central Montana, parts of northeastern Wyoming, parts of western South Dakota, parts of western Nebraska, and parts of northern Wyoming having that 2%. We also have a 2% tornado risk also for parts of southern Kansas and northern Oklahoma as well. So we have Tulsa, Wichita, Billings, Broken Arrow, and Rapid City under the 2%. So there could be a brief EF0 tornado possible today in those areas, so please be mindful. Going on to today's outlook, or wind outlook, we have a 15% extending from central Montana through northeastern Wyoming, through south central to western South Dakota, west central Nebraska, parts of northeastern Colorado, and parts of northern Kansas. We do also have a 5% extending from central Montana through southwestern North Dakota, central South Dakota, south central Minnesota, west central Iowa, parts of eastern to central Nebraska, most of Kansas, eastern Colorado, all of Oklahoma, eastern New Mexico, south central to northern Texas, western Arkansas, and southwestern Missouri. We also have this 5% out here for parts of central to eastern Virginia through D.C., parts of central Maryland, and parts of southwestern Delaware. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Billings, Rapid City, North Platte, Gillette, and Sheridan under these 15%, and Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Oklahoma City, Virginia Beach, and Tulsa having a 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible. And for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. So please be mindful that could be possible. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% hatched for parts of central Montana and northeastern Wyoming. And we have a 15% normal that extends from western Nebraska through, western South Dakota through west central Nebraska, parts of northeastern Colorado, and northern Kansas. We have a 5% extending from central Montana through southwestern North Dakota, going through most of South Dakota, parts of south central Minnesota, west central Iowa, going through central Nebraska, eastern Colorado, going through northeastern Wyoming, western to central Kansas. We have most of Oklahoma, eastern New Mexico, south central to northern Texas having that as well. We also have this 5% for parts of northern Virginia and central Virginia, as well as DC and parts of central to southern Maryland as well, having a 5%. So we have Billings, Gillette, Sheridan, Spearfish, and Miles City under the significant severe. Billings, Rapid City, Gillette, Sheridan, and Scottsbluff under the 15%. And Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Oklahoma City, Tulsa, and Wichita having a 5%. So for the 15% hatched area, we could see 1 to 3.5 inch diameter hail possible today. For the 15% normal, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail today. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today. So please be mindful that could be possible depending on where you are today. Going into the summary for today, it says scattered severe thunderstorms capable of producing large hail and damaging wind gusts will be possible across parts of the northern and central high plains this afternoon and evening. Isolated strong to severe thunderstorms may also occur today across parts of the southern plains, into the Ozarks, and over portions of the southern mid-Atlantic. So there you have it. There is the summary for today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's Day 1 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. And depending how busy I am, I might have to have Johnny Thunder, EAS, and weather fill in for me for the Day 2 outlook. I am not quite sure yet, but that definitely is a possibility. But anyway, hopefully I'll be able to make the Day 2 outlook video. But for right now, have a great day, everybody, and take care.